In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Desktop. This is a wonderful tool for managing your Git repositories on Windows and Mac, making version control, collaboration, and project management much more intuitive and efficient. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, GitHub Desktop can significantly streamline your workflow. So, let's dive in and get started with the process. First up, let's install GitHub Desktop. Head over to your preferred web browser and search for GitHub Desktop to locate the official website. Once you're there, download the installer version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. After downloading, go ahead and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions, and momentarily, you'll have GitHub Desktop installed on your computer. Once the installation completes, open the application and you'll be greeted with a clean and simple interface. Now, it's time to sign in. On the main screen, you'll notice an option that says Sign in to GitHub.com. Click on that and input your GitHub credentials. These are the same credentials that you use to log into GitHub on the web. Following your login, GitHub Desktop will seek authorization to connect to your GitHub account. Authorize it, and in just a few seconds, you're all set to start managing repositories from your desktop. With GitHub Desktop ready to go, the next essential skill is cloning a repository. Let's cover the process of cloning repositories directly from GitHub. Inside GitHub Desktop, click on the File menu in the top left corner and select Clone Repository. A new dialog box will appear, offering a list of repositories available within your GitHub account. Browse through the list, select the repository that you'd like to clone, and choose a location on your computer where you'd like this repository to be saved. Finally, click Clone, and you'll have a local copy of the repository right at your fingertips. Sometimes you might want to clone a repository using a URL. The steps are quite similar. Once again, navigate to File and select Clone Repository. This time, switch to the URL tab within the dialog box. Now paste the repository URL in the format https://github.com, username repository.git, into the designated field. Choose your desired location for storing the repository, and click Clone. This approach is particularly handy when someone shares a repository URL with you directly, or if you're working off a repository that isn't already present in your GitHub account. Getting these steps right means you've unlocked the door to utilizing GitHub Desktop's powerful features. As you grow more comfortable, you'll find that this desktop application makes collaboration and version control a breeze, enabling you to focus more on writing great code and less on logistics. Thanks so much for watching, and happy coding!